Hello everyone, this is Mehek from Crafty Minds. Today we are going to work on paperboard. So let's get started. I have made this on a plain piece of paper and used pencil colors in this. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a paperboard and then we are going to fill colors in it. Let's see what all art materials we need for this project. We are going to use a plain piece of paper, pencil colors, and I'm going to use marker to draw. You can use pencil too. So let's draw. So we are going to make a sleeping line, a straight sleeping line in center of our paper. What you can do to start with, you can just make two dots like this in center of your paper, just two dots like this, and then join these two dots just like this. So it's a straight sleeping line. Then from here we are going to make a slanting line going all the way up till here. You can always put a dot like this. So you know that from here you have to go all the way up, little slanting line like this. Then from here we are going to make another slanting line going all the way down, and we are going to join this line. So from here make a slanting line going all the way down and join this line. And then we're going to, from this side, we're going to make another slanting line going all the way up. So it's going to be slanting line going all the way up. First we're going to put one dot like this, and then we can just join that. Then from here, so in the middle of this line we're going to just put one dot over here. You can see that like this, and then we're going to join this line over here. So we're going to make another line and join these two dots together. Okay, then from here, from this line we're going to put dot in center of this line, and then you can just put one dot a little bit up there, and then one dot. Can you see this line, this one? So we can just put a little dot over here, or you can just, then from here we're going to make a line going all the way up like this, and the slanting line all the way going down. You can join this one. Then from here, from this line we are going to make a straight line. It's straight sleeping line, and we're going to join there. So from this point make a straight sleeping line, join this triangle shape over here. You can see it's a triangle shape, so you can join there. Same from here, we are going to make a sleeping line, straight sleeping line, and join this straight sleeping line and join this line over here. So we are done the drawing. This is a paperboard. Now we are going to fill colors in it. So I'm going to start with yellow color to give the reflection in there. So, and I'm going to color my boat orange. You can color any color, like you can color blue or purple, red, pink, whatever works best for you. You can color your favorite color too. But before you add your favorite color in this, I want you to add yellow color in that too. So we are going to use yellow color to give reflections, and it's kind of light, and to give reflection in there. So over here, see, I'm using yellow color. So same, I want you to use the yellow color like this, a little bit on this side. So after that you can use any color. You don't have to go with orange. You can use any color, but try to give the yellow color first. So that's just for the reflection. and gonna use a little bit over here, so a little bit over here, just starting from here in the middle a little bit, just going to add in here. So add yellow color. If you are using markers or all pastel crayons, still put yellow color down there like this. And then you can put any color on top of this yellow, and I'm going to use orange color. So, and make sure your strokes are in one direction, like I'm using horizontal strokes like this. See, I'm going on yellow too, so that's just for reflection down there. So don't worry about yellow, you just have to overlap your any color, whatever you are using, on yellow. So that is totally fine. See? So make sure to go in one stroke. Same, I'm going to color over here, and see, going to put color on yellow too. We can still see a little shade down there, you can see the difference, right? So that's why we put the yellow down there. Same, and over here I'm going to use slanting lines where I'm going in one direction. So yeah, color on the yellow too. So here we go. Same I'm going to do over here. To overlap. So here we go, almost done with this, and I'm going to add shadow down there. It's your wish, you can also add water if you want your paperboard on water. So I'm going to add shadow down there. I'm going to use black color for that, and then see. So, and try to use a little darker shade, like over here under your board. We are going to press our pencil a little harder to get the darker shade down there, and just near our board too, over here too, a little bit. But while we move away from a board, make sure to use soft pressure over here now, because we don't want really dark shade. So over here close to board, you have to use little press your hard pressure over here for your darker shade, but while you move away from your board, use really soft hands so that we get this lighter shade over here, this one. See? And I'm going to add a little bit yellow and orange shade in our shadow too. So that's going to be very soft. You have to use very soft because we don't want our shadow to look orange or yellow. So see, I'm using really lighter shade in here of that orange, so it's use really soft hands for that. I'm going to use yellow, just a little bit. We don't have to show the yellow and orange color in shadow, but it's just we want little reflection of these two colors in shadows. So over here, then again I'm going to use black, but use really soft hands and soft pressure for that. So here we go. Yeah. So we are done with our paper boat. Hope you enjoyed working on paper boat today. If you like the video, make sure to thumbs up and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.